Today I'm going to show you what you get in the box if you buy a stick reader and printer. The stick reader comes fully charged with batteries. Turning on, press once, the stick reader will come on, and then to turn off, hold your finger down constantly on the button and it will shut down. The batteries are contained in the compartment at the rear, which is on a thread. Unscrew to pull the batteries out. There's the batteries with arrow indicating which way they're going to go in. So I can put the batteries back in and screw back on, so it's now flush. Next you'll get the battery charger for the stick reader batteries with a small USB connector which plugs into the bottom of the battery pack here. And then the USB connector, this will plug into there, so you can either plug it into mains or a USB into your computer. Also the car 12 volt charger plugs in, but you must know that if you're charging off of the car, then the charging time will be a lot longer because it's running off a 12 volt battery, car battery. Now the printer will come with a roll of paper. The lid can be opened to access the roll of paper, and when you shut it there should be a nice click sound that it's engaged. When the printer's on, you can press the button there and it'll be a constant green light that shows the printer's on, and it will time out in a few minutes. This comes with the mains charger for the printer, which has a UK plug on it. If you're anywhere else in the world, you will also get the adapters for your region. This will plug into if you're charging from the mains, this will charge into the printer in the back, so that's ready for mains charging. If you want to charge from your car or your van, then there's also the same car charging point here, which goes in the same point, and then that will plug in to charge from your car. The same thing again, it will take a lot longer to charge this battery. And that's all the items you will get in your stick reader. Thank you.